You're hungry and stressed, time is running short. You grab whatever looks good. Then 90 minutes later you crash during your exam. Because in the moment, you didn't know when the crash would hit, how bad it would affect your performance, or what to do differently to minimize the damage. Current food apps tell you, this is unhealthy. But they don't tell you how to eat it smarter, how to reduce the harm, or how to time it better for your life. That's the problem BiteAid solves. BiteAid is the first context-aware food AI. We don't judge what you eat. We just show you what to eat first, what to skip, and what happens next, so you can minimize the harm. Here's how it works. First, upload a photo of what you're about to eat. Then, and this is key, tell BiteAid what's happening. This context is what makes BiteAid different. BiteAid analyzes your meal and your situation using Gemini 3's extended thinking. It reasons about how this specific meal will affect you in your specific situation. Look at this result. BiteAid knows this isn't just lunch. It's brain fuel before an exam. So it gives you exam-specific harm reduction advice like this. See these values? They indicate the overall insight on what will happen before your critical hours and how to prevent them. We have different timeline and different advice. Now it focuses on sleep quality, not exam performance. And here's a cool feature. Tap individual foods to see what happens if you skip them. Not something you'll use every time, but when you're curious about trade-offs, it's there. This is only possible with Gemini 3. Here's why. First, extended thinking. When you say, exam in 2 hours, Gemini doesn't just analyze the food. It uses 2048 tokens of extended thinking to reason about. This is biological reasoning, not guessing. Second, multimodal intelligence. Gemini analyzes the image to detect the foods, understands your messy text input. Third, adaptive prompting. BiteAid sends a completely different prompt to Gemini based on your context. This adaptive, context-aware analysis requires Gemini 3's extended thinking for biological reasoning, multimodal understanding for vision plus text, and structured output for reliable, actionable advice. No other AI can do this. Let me show you the architecture. User uploads photo and context. We detect the mode from their input. Gemini Flash analyzes the image quickly. Gemini Pro runs extended thinking for harm reduction strategy. We send an adaptive prompt based on the detected mode, and output a context-aware result with adaptive timeline and mode-specific advice. This entire flow is powered by Gemini 3. No user accounts, no data storage, and no tracking. Your meal photos are analyzed in real time and deleted immediately. BiteAid. Eat now, fix later. Try it yourself.